Cylas. Cylas. Ain't no more juice in there. Where he going? He loves walking these rocks. Cy. Woo. Come on, buddy. Where is he going? The fun is this way.
Cylas.
Bye.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Say bye-bye. Look. He looking like the train is leaving me. They're leaving me.
I want you to ride a train again, because I took a picture that time, and I don't think I got good pictures.
The good ones.
So
Okay.
I'll take a video the next time.
Okay. Yeah, because we got a video on the inside, so we get one from the outside. Bless you. Bless you. He just really wants to go on the track.
Cylas! Yeah! Yay! Yay! Yay, Cylas! Cylas.
does.
Come on, Cylas. Come on, man.
See ya.
Uh-huh.
It's really a job made for Dad, okay? Say hi, Uncle.
Hey, man. Look at Cylas go.
Say hi, Uncle.
Hey, man. Hi.
Come on, let's go. Say hi, Uncle.
There, my
Say
Cylas.
hi.
Okay. Okay.
Nope. I'm going, you got it. They can come on up on there. Ready?
Come on.
Alright, vlog. Alright, vlog. We're gonna end it on this note. I got some funnel cake. That's normally how you end the carnival. So I'm gonna give Cylas his piece of funnel cake because he likes it. Is it good? Is it good? Yeah. You have fun? You have fun? Good.